Cool. All right. Well, hello, everyone, and welcome to our latest webinar of Making AI Real for Your Business. My name is Chris Johnson. I'm the US-based sales specialist here at Veraqor. For those of you who are not familiar with us, here's a quick overview. So Veraqor is a global technology provider of cloud migration, information technology, and digital business transformation services. We serve various industries, including healthcare, manufacturing, retail, energy, oil and gas, and technology. We work with each of our clients on reimagining their business models and developing strategies to help grow their business in many ways. So on the call with us today is our enterprise solution architect, Safdar. Safdar has over 14 years of experience with us building digital solutions for leading enterprises worldwide. His prime focus has been developing enterprise scale applications and business solutions, including cloud enablement, application modernization, integration frameworks, digital transformation, security, compliance, quite a few things. His notable contributions include working at Mercedes-Benz, Talbot, Weir Minerals, and several oil and gas companies. And moreover, he has also worked as a technical and solutions architect at Halcyon, TransRe, Evolve, Super Audit, Novo Nordisk, and Intel, and actually also the Board of Public Utilities in Kansas, which is a neighbor of mine here in the US. So Safdar is going to talk with us today about the potential of using AI to revolutionize innovation, invigorate operations, and gain an edge on the competition. So without further ado, Safdar, the floor is yours, man.
Thank you so much, Chris. Thank you. Hello, everyone. This is Safdar, Cloud Solution Architect in Veraqor. Welcome to our webinar on making AI real for your business. In this webinar, we will equip you with the practical strategies, insights, and real-world examples to make AI real for your business. And this webinar will provide you with the knowledge and guidance to unlock the potential of AI and drive transformative outcomes for your organization. Yeah. So in this webinar, we will talk about applied AI services and how we can make AI real for your business. In today's agenda, we will discuss about the business challenges and customer pain points, and we will walk you through how applied AI solves business problems with some use cases. Also, we will demo you some solution with reference architecture and discuss about the customer stories with evidence. And in the last, we will discuss how Veraqor can help you to implement AI services with their solution offerings. There we go. So guys, in today's digital age, AI has emerged as a transformative force revolutionizing industries and unlocking new possibilities for businesses. However, many organizations still struggle with understanding how to effectively apply AI to their specific business challenges. Let's start with the business problem and challenges that the customer usually face on their business. So here are the list of some common pain points: poor customer experience, lack of customer satisfaction, decreased revenue, product discovery optimization, and no real-time insights. Similarly, the lack of search and informative retrieval, social distancing and people counting issues, translation and transcription. By leveraging Azure Applied AI services, business can streamline processes, automate tasks, gain deeper insight from the data, improve customer experiences, and address specific pain points. So here are some stats that shows momentum of AI adoption and interest. Enterprise use of AI grew hoping to 70% over the past several years, according to the Gartner. More recent survey published by KPMG suggests a large number of organizations have increased their investment in AI during the pandemic. And the Brain Research found that almost 90% of tech executives view AI and machine learning as the priorities that they should be incorporating into their product lines and businesses. Some people think AI is harder to implement than expected, like orchestrate multiple AI models. Even if customers are using our cognitive services, it can still be difficult because you have to orchestrate multiple models and some custom scenario specific model. In many instances, I would say business need AI powered solutions quicker and don't have the time to resources to build the additional task specific AI features and business logic. So that's why we have Azure Applied AI Services that helps you to build AI solution faster, reducing development time from months to days for I would say the common business scenarios that we have seen customer repeatedly building from the scratch. And usually, applied AI services build on top of cognitive services with additional task-specific AI models and business logic to solve common problems that organization encounters regardless of industry. For example, video analyzer is used to extract in-depth metadata from videos and audios content, where the metric advisor decreases time to value for creating proactive monitoring and observability solutions. Similarly, Azure Board services give you comprehensive development experience to build conversational AI, and form organizer extract the key value pair from the forms, thereby automating data entry tasks. And cognitive search enable you to integrate AI-powered search to your app and website.
And actually, Safdar, we have a question, and just to quickly interject. So, if you guys have any questions, feel free to use the chat function, and so, but yeah, as they come in, I'll probably pause you after you end the slide and let you know if I have any questions. So in regards to that last slide, if you could go back. So in order to implement applied AI, do we really need in-depth knowledge of AI and ML?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, for integrate the powerful AI capabilities into your application without requiring in-depth knowledge of machine learning, you can implement that. That's not a big deal, right? So you don't need to in-depth knowledge of machine learning or data sciences to implement this applied AI, right? Is that answer to your question, Chris?
Yep. Unless we have any objections, I'll let you know. But yeah, that's good. Thank you.
All right. So guys, Azure Cognitive Service provide the most comprehensive set of pre-built AI technologies that are easily accessible via RESTful APIs. And we have vision services, speech languages, decision, and for web search. And these services empower developer and organization to integrate powerful AI capabilities into their applications without requiring in-depth knowledge of machine learning and data science. Here are some, variety of real-world applications. So cognitive services span vision, speech, language, knowledge, and search. Combining many of these services together can either improve user interaction model or provide fun and engaging user experiences. For example, here shine some light on how some of these API work in the real-world situation. For the vision, the computer vision API is able to extract rich information from image to categorize and process visual data and protect your users from unwanted content. Similarly, speech, the Bing Search API is capable of converting audio to text, understanding intent, and converting text back to speech for natural responses. In language, understanding the intelligence service known as Lewis can be trained to understand the user language contextually. So your app communicates with the people in the way that they speak, right? Similarly, for the decision, anomaly detector easily embed anomaly detection capabilities into your apps. So user can quickly identify the problem, right? And search Similarly, Bing image search API enable you to add a variety of image search options to your app or website. You can add on your mobile app or website from training images to detail insight, right?
And
all right.
Actually, yeah, we actually have a question here.
All right.
Yeah. So how can we improve customer experience by using applied AI?
Oh, nice question. So I will explain in a better way in upcoming slide, if you allow me, right? Okay. You can see the transforming organization worldwide, right? After implementing applied AI, the KPMG got 80% reduction in time, cost, and effort by streamlining contact center called transcription and analysis with the speech transcription and text analysis. Similarly, NHS, 54 million prescriptions processed through automatic text extraction. And as per IHC, 60% reduction in search time for customer queries, boosting their customer satisfaction, and they improve their experience throughout this via implement highly scalable applied AI services. So that they reduce the search time, and that in the result, the impact is they get good customer experiences, right? I'm sure this answer to your question. All right. So guys, today we will be focusing on computer vision services. So, it's extract information from images to categorize and process visual data. The computer vision service provide powerful image and video analysis capabilities. This Azure service enables business to extract information from images to perform object detection and analysis. I'm sorry, that's a glitch. Right? To recognize the specific content in imagery, we have customizable web service, which is custom vision. And we have document extraction service like form recognizer to extract smart insight from videos. We can use video indexer service to understand people movement. We use spatial analysis. Spatial analysis enable building application to analyze live videos and understand people movement in the physical space. Let's see the example of image analysis using vision service. So here you can see the detail extracted from the image, right? Using the computer vision API from faces to feelings, it enables your application to accurately identify and analyze content with image, videos, and digital ink, right? You can see what details of image this service can extract, their emotions, their age, and gender, everything, right? Similarly, computer vision service good at the scan document photos with the text and fine-grained location information and text extraction using its OCR services, right? So that's really helpful. And computer vision face API, this detect human faces and compare similar ones, organize people into the group according to visual similarity, and identify previously tagged people in the image. They identify, right? Face grouping, face identification, recognize emotions. Let's see the example of face API. Yeah, one important point, it's also recognized celebrities thanks to domain-specific models that are pre-built and already trained and has the ability to recognize 200K celebrities from business, politics, sports, and entertainment around the world. In the Face API, face detection feature detect faces and their attributes within an image. Face verification API check if two faces belong to the same person, right? Similarly, The similar face searching finds similar faces within the set of image. And face grouping organizes many faces into groups, right? And face identification search which person face belongs to, right? And similarly, we have the recognize emotion feature in the service that understand content within an image, right? Let's see how custom vision, work.
And actually, let me pause there. There was a question with that last slide. Can we create or train our custom models?
Yeah, of course. In upcoming slide, I will walk you through that how we can train our custom models and how can we leverage the pre-built, trained models, right, for our business use cases. So we have a demo, we have a upcoming slides, I'll show the detail. All right. So guys, Microsoft's updated its vision service with the state-of-the-art Microsoft Vision model. The code name is Florence, right? And it's a large model based on transformers. It's a multi-model based, has the capabilities for both language and vision. And it has been trained with a vast amount of data with a billion of image and text bits, right? This model is capable because it's a foundation model. So let me show you the first demo on Azure Vision Studio to try vision capabilities with no code experience. The first demo, right? Let me share my other screen for the demo. All right. So guys, this is a no code experience with the Vision Studio, Azure Vision Studio. And we are going to add captions to the image, right? Here are pre-built, trend models, and we can select one image, and you can see it detects attributes and captions. So based on the trend model, it says, hey, this is a group of cows grazing in the field. So let me upload my custom images or you can see I have uploaded from my image folder. So yeah, oh, it's detected. So it's detect the red telephone booth next to the body of water, right? So this is the caption to the image, right? Based on we have the Florence model, trend models, pre-trained models, right? So that detect the caption of the images itself. All right. Back to our presentation. Here we go. So guys, here are some use cases. That's very interesting. And computer vision is an Azure cognitive service which runs vision AI on images, right? And I would say this is amazing. Spatial analysis is a new feature of this computer vision service. It's run vision AI on the live and recorded video stream to understand the people movement in a physical spaces. And it drew AI insight from the real scenario to improve the customer experience, safety, and productivity. So we can see the people counting, social distancing, entry, exit. So let's see one by one these use cases. So you can start turning your videos into insights right away using these services. Count people in the designated area, monitor and alert for maximum occupancy, collect historical data, and to make decision for how to optimize occupancy of physical spaces. Similarly, for social distancing use case, we can also monitor that people are maintaining a minimum distance from each other, minimum distance either it's 5 or 6 feet, right? And similarly, entry exit use case, another use case would be entry or exit or some entry point, right? You can monitor entry ways for traffic even. maintain optimal occupancy, detect when people cross a line or enter leave a zone, the specific zone areas, right? And calculate time spent, right? So this would be very helpful for this kind of application. And here are some further use cases for digital asset management. By extracting content from images with the digital asset management, you can improve search. You can have search engine optimization by extracting description from images, as we saw in our first demo, right? So we can extract information from images and videos, and you can deliver contextual advertisement by matching the user's interest with visual content. Right? So digital asset management use case like improved search, delivery contextual advertisement, support accessibility. Here is the image analysis API, right? You can see using image analysis API, you can extract knowledge from the image through computer vision image analysis API. In this example, left image shows caption which I demoed you earlier, while in the right side, you can see example of dense caption. Dense caption have a multiple regions in it with its detailed description inside each region. So let's see the demo of dense caption. All right, so guys, this is the dense caption example. For example, when I click this image, it's rendering and it's loaded. You can see, the dense caption have the multiple region. It's find multiple region in a single image and have a separate captions and description for each region with the details, right? And we can upload our own image and check. For example, here I have uploaded. So you can see, since it's already trained model, so it's identified, multiple regions through dense captioning feature, right? So it's identified the 3 regions inside this image, right? This is very interesting, right? Okay. Now moving back to our presentation. Okay. Here we go. So guys, let's see how that works. To the left, we have cameras in the physical spaces, and this camera can stream videos into Azure cloud in Azure Cognitive Service, and then the video is stored into the blob storage. Then to enable the search capabilities, right? This is indexing the videos by extracting vectors. In this case, the system building the search query for each video file. User can search using natural language since system applied caption and dense caption on each frame during the indexing process. So this is a high level, architecture, how it's gonna work, right? Now let's jump on to some retail use cases. So we have a few retail use cases, which includes produce recognition, shelf restocking, planogram compliance, right? Using product recognition APIs, we can do shelf analysis. So let's see the demo, how this API, product recognition API works. So let me share my screen again. This is the demo of shelf product recognize API, right? You can see here are the products on the shelf, and we have detected products and their positions, right? This is the product, and similarly, you can see this is the planogram, schema after the matching results, right? This is a position gap. This is the biscuits at 33 position. And this is the 42 position at 42 position, right? So this is a position with the product details we can see here, right? And this is a sample images we have and the details of the product and their positions. So we can find easily through this API. So this is pretty interesting, right? Now back to our presentation. So guys, in the retail industry, retailers need to better understand how customer move through the store and how they modify the layout, store layout, right? And they want to measure how much time people spend in a line or in front of retail display, or if the store layout helps people to maintain social distancing or not, right? So with the help of spatial analysis, you can build your own solution for the retail industry to improve customer satisfaction, protect safety and health, and increase revenue. So let me show you the demo of spatial analysis and social distancing. So this is a Azure Vision Studio, and you can see the streamed video. In a streamed video, it's detect the social distancing, right? When the person is less than 6 feet of the distance, so it shows the red line between the two persons, right? So you can find, zones as well, zones detail, and as well as similarly, the person and their movement. All right, back to our presentation. So here are some customer stories that they applied, implement the applied AI services. So they got a maximum impact on their business. Mincer implemented digital eyes to monitor the sustainability of the water treatment process. To verify that treatment is completed and finished at the correct spot, the Mincer adapted an AI-based solution on Microsoft Azure Video Analytics and Cognitive Services. Initially, it was manual and monitored by either the process has been completed or not. So automating the process with AI using Azure Video Analytics to identify and alert those in charge of the plant, right? Where there is a form at the site. Form is indicating the process has been completed. So through AI, they identified and automate the form at the site. So it means the process has been completed. So this solution was also very easy to implement because Mentor didn't need to add any servers in the plant. Everything was done in approximately 45 days using cloud services and existing cameras and infrastructure, right? Similarly, this is another story and use case of the Volkswagen Group. They deliver a huge range of documents in more than 40 languages to their customer all over the world. More than billions of words must be translated every year. And this volume is rising day by day. So they need to scale and enhance their existing translation system. So Volkswagen implemented Azure Cognitive Services and Translator APIs to create more faster, scalable, and cost-effective solutions with a more precise result, right? So guys, Veraqor has a solution offerings for you, which includes complimentary briefing, paid assessment to understand your current business need, and provide the step-by-step guideline to achieve your organization goal. POCs and implementations, right? So similarly, we also have a bunch of complementary services provided by our technical specialists free of charge. That includes business outcome strategy, workshops and roadmap, deeper solution session and briefing, architecture design sessions, industry best practices tools and frameworks. So you can easily opt in or subscribe for our complimentary sessions right? And thank you very much. Guys, if you have any question, feel free to ask or email us at mtu@veracor.io. So Chris, if you have any questions, so let me know.
Yeah, so we actually just had one that pop up. Actually, we're just asking where we were based. So we've got, so we're in the US, our headquarters is in Princeton, New Jersey. We also have locations kind of spread out more so in Karachi, we have an office as well. So we definitely have a pretty large footprint in the States and both the EMEA and APAC market. So we can certainly go into more specific locations. And do we have an office in Canada? We don't, but that would be, we don't have a physical office in Canada, but we actually support that market through the US territory. So I would definitely be someone that can speak with you about that and see how we can potentially help you if you are located in Canada.
All right. If you don't have any question, then thank you very much for joining, guys. Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.